What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car headrest hook on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Amooca Car Seat Headrest Hook. This vehicle storage solution helps keep the interior neat by making use of available space. It allows for easy placement of handbags, shopping bags, backpacks, and other personal items without creating clutter on the seats or floor. Designed for secure attachment to the headrest, it ensures that stored belongings remain stable during travel, preventing spills or messes. Constructed from high-quality material, this organizer is durable and strong, making it suitable for daily use. It can support various items such as grocery bags, baby essentials, and travel accessories while providing easy access when needed. The sturdy structure ensures long-lasting performance, maintaining its shape and function over time. With a rotating function, this storage accessory offers flexibility in positioning. It can be adjusted to hold belongings in the most convenient spot, whether in the front or back. This design maximizes space efficiency without interfering with seating comfort. Installation is simple, requiring no tools or modifications to the vehicle. It can be attached or removed easily, making it a practical choice for organizing the interior. The universal design allows compatibility with different vehicle models, ensuring a secure fit for a variety of cars. This organizer provides a convenient way to keep personal items within reach while maintaining a clutter-free space. It enhances comfort and accessibility for both drivers and passengers by offering a practical and efficient storage solution. In our list, the number 4 product name is Sentoto Car Seat Hook. This vehicle storage accessory helps maintain a tidy and organized interior by utilizing unused space. It provides a convenient way to keep shopping bags, handbags, wallets, and clothing securely in place, preventing them from falling onto the floor or rolling around while driving. By keeping essential items within reach, it enhances comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers. Made from durable material, this organizer offers strong support and long-lasting performance. It can hold a significant amount of weight without bending or losing its shape. The interior lining ensures a secure grip, keeping stored items stable and preventing movement during travel. The sturdy construction allows for reliable daily use while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. The rotating function allows for flexible positioning, making it possible to store items in the front or back without taking up extra space. The ability to hide the accessory when not in use adds to its practicality. This design ensures that the interior remains clutter-free while maximizing available space. Installation is simple and does not require tools or modifications. Once attached, it provides a permanent storage solution that enhances vehicle organization. The universal design ensures compatibility with various models, making it a practical option for different types of vehicles. This storage solution improves convenience by keeping belongings secure and easily accessible while driving. It helps maintain a neat and organized space, allowing for a more comfortable travel experience. In our list, the number 3 product name is SCOVVORD Car Headrest Hook. This vehicle storage accessory helps keep the interior neat by utilizing unused space for better organization. It allows for easy placement of handbags, grocery bags, clothing, and other essentials, preventing clutter on the floor or seats. By keeping items secure, it enhances comfort and convenience for drivers and passengers. Designed for durability, this organizer provides strong support for various items while maintaining its shape over time. The structure ensures stability, keeping belongings from shifting or falling during travel. The sturdy material offers reliable performance, making it suitable for daily use. The rotating function allows for flexible positioning, making it easy to store belongings in the most convenient location. The ability to hide the accessory when not needed adds to its practicality. This design optimizes space while maintaining a tidy interior. A built-in phone holder provides added convenience, allowing for secure placement of mobile devices. This feature keeps screens visible for passengers without taking up additional space. The secure grip prevents movement, ensuring a stable position while traveling. Installation is simple and does not require adhesives or tools. The design allows for quick attachment and removal without modifications to the vehicle. Once in place, it provides a long-term storage solution for better organization. This addition to the interior helps maintain order by keeping essential items within reach while optimizing space. It ensures a clutter-free environment, allowing for a more comfortable and organized travel experience. In our list, the number 2 product name is TOOVREN Upgraded Car Headrest Hook. This storage accessory provides a simple way to keep the vehicle interior neat by utilizing unused space. It allows for easy placement of handbags, grocery bags, clothing, and other essentials, preventing clutter on the floor or seats. By securing items in place, it helps create a more organized and comfortable environment for travel. Designed for durability, this organizer offers strong support for various items while maintaining its shape over time. The sturdy material provides reliable performance, making it suitable for daily use. It prevents belongings from shifting or falling during movement, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free ride. The rotating function allows for flexible positioning, making it convenient to store belongings in the most accessible location. The ability to hide the accessory when not needed adds to its practicality. This design helps optimize available space while ensuring an organized interior. A built-in phone holder adds extra convenience, allowing passengers to place their devices securely. This feature makes it easier to watch content without holding the phone, providing an enjoyable experience during travel. The secure grip prevents unnecessary movement, keeping the device in place at all times. Installation is simple and does not require any modifications to the vehicle. The design allows for quick attachment and removal without the need for tools or adhesives. Once in place, it offers a long-term storage solution that enhances vehicle organization. This addition to the interior helps maintain order by keeping essential items within reach while optimizing space. It ensures a clutter-free environment, allowing for a more comfortable and organized experience for both drivers and passengers. In our list, the number 1 product name is Flymic Adjustable Car Seat Headrest Hook. This storage accessory helps maintain a clean and organized vehicle interior by utilizing unused space. It allows for the secure placement of handbags, shopping bags, water bottles, and other items, preventing clutter on seats and floors. By keeping belongings in place, it enhances convenience during travel and ensures a neat environment. Designed for durability, this organizer provides strong support while maintaining its shape over time. The high-quality material prevents bending or breaking, making it suitable for long-term use. The widened base structure allows for the storage of larger items, ensuring they remain stable even when the vehicle is in motion. A rotating function adds to its practicality by allowing flexible positioning. This feature ensures that belongings are always within reach without taking up unnecessary space. The ability to adjust the length makes it suitable for different storage needs, making it a convenient option for various items. Installation is simple and does not require tools or modifications. The design allows for quick attachment and removal while ensuring a secure hold. The hook can be placed on the headrest with minimal effort and can be adjusted as needed for ease of use. This addition to the interior optimizes available space while keeping personal belongings easily accessible. The strong and adjustable design helps prevent items from shifting or falling, creating a clutter-free environment. It ensures a more comfortable experience for both drivers and passengers, providing an effective solution for vehicle organization.